Hello, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to make a reverse shell connection between two Windows machines using Netcat, which is a tool available in nmat. It's also available in Kali Linux. You can use Kali Linux to do this. I'm just going to use a standalone Netcat tool. And to get that tool, you simply go to the nmat website, and you can see I've got it there. So if I type in nmat ncat basically, you'll get the link for that, which is this link here, 21st century. You can scroll down, and when you get to this zip file here, open in a new window, and that will download the zip file. Now you can just unzip that to the root of the C drive on both machines, and you'll see that I've already done that. If I look at this, I've got that netcat file sitting on my virtual machine. This is a bridged adapter and the same IP address range as my base machine here, or you could use two separate virtual machines. So what I want to do now is I want to set up a listening port for this. So I'm going to set up a command which is netcat minus NVLP and then port 443. So to do that, I type in CMD and run it as administrator. And then what I want to do here is CD / and then if I do a dir, I should be able to see that netcat is sitting there somewhere. There it's there, netcat.exe. So netcat space dash NVL, I think it was a P, just give me a second. P, yeah. And then 443. We can use other ports as well, it's just happen to be using this one. So this is now listening on port 443. So then on this machine here, base machine, I'm going to run a administrative command prompt, so as administrator. Back to the root of C drive, and then this time I'm going to put in ncat minus nv, and then the target machine, which is the one that we created. Now this could be automated in a batch file, so the unsuspecting person clicks on it and then it runs back to the original machine. So I want to put in port 443 here, minus E, and then tell it the executable that you want to run, which is the command prompt. So I'll run that, it says it's connected, and you would expect to see something on here, but in actual fact it's back on the original machine that we see the difference, because now, okay, you see it's changed there. If I type in dir, I'm actually connected to my base machine now from the virtual machine. So I've created a reverse shell back onto this machine here. And just to prove that, if I type in make dir test hack, and I go back to my base machine here on the root of the C drive, you will see I have test hack there. Let's just go back. Is that what I called it? Yes, test hack. And test hack has appeared there on this machine. So from this machine, I was able to take control of the command prompt from my base machine here and take control over the machine. Okay, so hopefully you found this useful and give it a try. Thanks for listening.